Hi everybody. In this video lecture, we are going to see some file commands. Suppose I want to open the directory through the terminal. I can give the command open space dot. So this is my directory in under Unix. I'm having certain files name file1, file2, test.txt, etc. So the first file command is cat command. Cat command is used for three purposes. So the first one is to open the or to display the file. You can just type cat space the name of the file. I have given the file name as file1. So I am opening the content in my file or display. Suppose I want to create a file, I can use the same command cat followed by a greater than symbol followed by a file name. So suppose it is file yes or file 3. This is my file name. So always the terminal is expecting command means it will be having a dollar symbol. If you are just typing this command, you won't be getting dollar symbol, which means the terminal is expecting some data to be stored. So here we have given the command cat opening bracket file name. So this is expecting you to enter the content of the file. So the content of the files, let it be jasmine, rose, sunflower, etc. So if you want to quit this window, you have to press Ctrl D. So if you are pressing Ctrl D, the data collection will be stopped and the terminal will be ready to accept command. So that will be notified by dollar symbol. So now let us open this file cat file 3. So I am opening the same content is displayed, right? Suppose I am having two files, file 1, file 3. I want to combine the contents of file 1 and file 3 and I want to place it in a new file. For that purpose also you can use the same cat command, cat space the first file name followed by the second file name followed by greater than symbol. So you are combining these two files and you are writing it into a new file, file 4. So now I am displaying file 1 first, then I am displaying the file 3 next. Now I am going to display the file 4. Actually using this command we have concatenated the file 1 and file 3. So once I am opening the content of file 1 followed by content of file 3 has been displayed together, which means both the files are merged or concatenated. That is how the cat command works. So the next command is copy command. So copy command is used for copying one file to another file. So you have to, the command name is cp space source file. Source file is the file which you want to copy. I want to copy file 1. So this source file must be an existing file. Already I am having file 1, so only I am giving that file name. Now I am creating a new file, file 5. So in this file 5, I want the content of file 1. So now I am going to display both the files. In both the files, the same contents are being displayed. Success, best wishes. Here also success, best wishes. So cp command is used for copying the source file to the destination file. The next command is move command. So you can also call the move command as rename command. So I am trying to move the command, move the file or rename the file 1 as report. So my old name is file 1 and my new name is report. So now I am trying to display file 1. It will not be display. No such file, because the file 1 has been renamed as report. I am displaying the report, the content of file 1 has been displayed. So move command is used for moving the content to a new file or for renaming a file. The next command is remove command. I want to remove command is rm space. I want to remove the file 4. So I can type rm before removing. Let me display whether the file is there or not. So file 4, like that one file is there. Now I am removing that file, rm space the file name. The file has been removed. Now again I am trying to open that file. No such file or directory, which means the rm command has removed this file. Next command is word count command. So word count command will be counting the number of lines, characters, words in a file. So let us first display a file. So I have displayed the content of the file 2. So I am giving wc space file name space. That's all. If I am giving that, it will be giving me the entire detail. So there are 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 lines. 10 words. 6 plus 4, 10 words. Then if you are counting the characters, you will be getting 61 characters, and the name of the file is file 2. The entire details will be given with the help of word count. So wc space file name is the command. Near that you can give options for extracting the lines alone. So wc -l means 6 alone will be displayed. -w means the number of words, that is 10 alone will be displayed. -c means the number of characters alone will be displayed. If you are not specifying any option, all the details will be displayed. So that's all about the file commands. Thank you.